Egg quality test. Providing high quality eggs and egg product is crucial to the sustainable economic viability of the egg industry. Guaranteeing quality is essential to meeting consumer expectations. The parameter we measure the whole egg weight. Egg weight is genetically linked to all three of the major very important quality component: shell, albumin, and yolk. The link between egg weight and albumin weight is higher than those between egg weight and shell or yolk weight, and as egg size increase, so does the percentage of albumin increase. Shell breaking strength. Shell strength, which refer to the ability of the shell to remain sound during transit from hen to the consumer, is economically the most important of all the egg quality characteristics. The structure quality of the egg shell is important to the processor because eggs that are structurally sound will arrive to the consumer in the best condition. Egg albumin heat. The higher the albumin heat, the better the albumin quality. The heat can vary from as low as 1 millimeter in stale egg of poor quality to 12 millimeter in good quality fresh egg. Generally, the younger the bird producing newly laid eggs, the higher the albumin heat. The Hogg unit is a measure of the egg quality based on the heat of its egg white albumin. The test was introduced by Raymond Hogg in 1937. It's the gold standard for evaluating the internal quality of the egg. The formula, as you see, Hogg unit 100 multiplied by log H minus 1.4 weight raised to power 0.37 plus 7.6. Calculation of the Hogg unit and the egg classification. The Hogg unit has been widely accepted throughout the world as the golden standard for qualifying the internal quality and freshness of eggs. It's the only objective measurement of freshness and corresponds very closely to consumer preference. It's ratio calculating involving the egg weight here, the egg weight, and the thick albumin heat. The thick albumin heat. Here, the thick albumin heat here, and here the weight of the, and here the Hogg. Here Hogg unit, here the Hogg unit H, here the heat of the albumin in millimeter, and weight, this is the weight of the egg in grams. The Hogg unit value ranges from 1 to 130 and can be ranked as below: AA, egg grade AA, and it has a price in the market. The Hogg unit is 72 or more. The E, only A, 71 to 60. Grade B, the A grade B from 59 to 31. Grade C from 30 to or less. How does the poultry egg quality change? Why we find a very good quality egg and a bad quality egg, or in between? A fresh egg is perishable food. Immediately after the egg is laid, changes in the content start to occur as steadily decline internal quality begins. When we store the egg, the internal quality go down. Simultaneously, the egg starts to lose weight. The condition of the albumin are primarily responsible for the internal quality assessment. A good quality egg is expected to have a firm and round yolk, surrounded by a thick albumin and distinctly thinner outer albumin when broken out. During storage, the thick albumin slowly break down, resulting in more and more thin albumin. This albumin quality is often measured as a function of the heat of the inner thick albumin.